Virtual production is a way of making film and TV that allows the filmmakers to have a lot of control over the environment that they're within, and be able to change the time of day within the scene, to change the lighting, to change location even at the click of a button.
Post-production workflows sometimes can be very render heavy and you're having to fix a lot of things in post, and the benefit with virtual production is essentially moving that process to the front of the pipeline so that by the time you get to post, most all of those decisions are already done.
The problem with green screen is actors have to imagine, directors have to sort of assume things are here or there, and matching eye lines, also doing things in post spatially might not work, whereas if we see it, there's a smaller room for guesswork to happen, and that makes things captured on camera actually usable.
We've reduced company moves, we've reduced costs because we're not having to move around to multiple locations, we've reduced weather interruptions, we have improved sustainability because we're able to have less wastage. We're using digital assets rather than huge set builds.